Every video you've seen about Seedance 2.0 right now is the same. Someone going, it's just launched, look how good it is. And yeah, it is good, but here's what nobody's talking about. Most people are using it completely wrong and getting mediocre results because of it. Seedance is not a vibe generator. It's a directing system. And once you understand that difference, everything changes. So here's what most people do. They open Seedance, they write this massive prompt. Cinematic, dramatic, epic lighting, slow motion, moody, atmospheric, sweeping camera move, character walks in from the left. And then they wonder why the output looks chaotic. The problem isn't the tool. It's that there are 6 mistakes baked into that prompt. Prompt overload. Too many camera ideas. Too many style words. References with no job assigned. And no hierarchy. No dominant readable action. Any one of those alone can tank your output. Stack all 6 together and you're just rolling the dice. Seedance 2.0 actually responds to a specific prompt structure. There's an order that works. You start with your subject and environment. Then your main action, one physical readable thing. Then the camera movement with a purpose, not decoration. Then lighting and style, and then sound. And finally, any continuity constraints. 10 elements in order. Once you build that habit, you stop getting chaos and start getting cinema. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Let's jump into Higsfield and I'll show you Seedance 2.0. If you don't already have an account, check out the link in the description. Once you have an account and you sign into Higsfield, you'll see the homepage which looks like this. There's a lot going on, but we're just focused on Seedance 2.0 today. To access Seedance, go up to the video and then you click on Seedance 2.0. It's a very simple process. We're going to upload an image and then put in our prompt. Let me show you. On the left hand side, you simply click on the upload media. And I've already got a watch uploaded here and I can click on that and you can see it's loaded in. Before I add the prompt, there are a few more options down below. You can adjust your time duration from 4 seconds to 15, or we'll just leave it on the default of 8. You can change your aspect ratio and you can also change your quality. We're just going to leave it on the default settings. Let's put in our bad prompt and then hit generate. This is how most people prompt. Adjective soup, no structure. I've given it the image, but I haven't told Seedance what to do with it, or what job any of these words are doing. See how it kind of just does stuff? It got the watch pretty much right, but every other decision, from the lighting, the camera, the movement, it just guessed. And that's what happens when there's no hierarchy to your prompt. This time, same watch, same tool. This time I gave it one physical action. Camera locked off with a reason. Lighting described specifically, not just dramatic. Style in 2 words, and a continuity constraint at the end so the dial stays sharp. That's the difference. Here's a mistake that almost everyone makes with their reference images. I've uploaded my watch photo and written a prompt. But I haven't told Seedance 2.0 what the image is actually for. Is it copying the composition, the lighting, the subject, the background color? It's just guessing all of it. Again, it got the watch roughly right, but made its own decisions on everything else. I gave it an asset and then gave it no direction on how to use it. Same image. This time, I told Seedance 2.0 the reference is for subject identity only. Use the watch, ignore everything else about the photo. Now it's using my asset as a directing tool, not just a suggestion. Every reference needs one job. The moment you assign it a role, you're directing. Without a role, you're just hoping. So the shift is this. Stop writing poetry, start directing. One shot, one action, one camera move with a reason. Every reference gets a job, structure over length. Once that clicks, Seedance stops feeling random and starts feeling like a tool you can actually control. There is a link in the description of this video that will take you to Higsfield where you can use Seedance 2.0 right now. And Higsfield currently has the lowest generation cost for Seedance 2.0 on the market. If you found value in this video, then please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and thanks for watching.